generally these are the considerations, this is what we think, हम ऐसे स्कूल गए थे. Okay, so how does the scenario change when you are looking at the school from the point of view of a child with slightly different needs, and how do we accommodate the child and the family together? So just structured learning मैंने बोला, it automatically becomes something which is compliance and demand based. पूरा क्लास बैठ रहा है तो and implementing policies which are against discrimination based on disability. The point is, if we choose to pick a fight with the school, it is your time and your resources, which then you will think it is better कि मैं मेरे बच्चे के पीछे वो resource दूं rather than going behind a school with it. This has been, I think, unanimously, Gauri or May, we will tell you this same thing that we have been, observing this for the last 15-20 years now. So this is what you need to know. Till 14 years of age, your child has a right to education, and no school can tell you that. We are looking at peer interaction. We are looking at, is my child able to cope up with the sound, light, and the kind of demand the school is placing, or is it really overwhelming for my child? Okay. And how are we accommodating towards different or special?
And I took all the concessions for my son, and हमने level A, B कर लिया. But for level C, I found it difficult क्योंकि जो environmental science था, फिर social studies था, ये मुगल empire and all, जो उसका pronunciation भी नहीं कर रहा है, उसका spelling कब करेगा. तो eventually, after talking to senior parents, I came to know कि भाई level C skip करके आप 10th standard को appear कर सकते हो, क्योंकि 10th के subjects अलग होते हैं. कंपल्सरी सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, इंग्लिश है, मैथ्स है, डेटा एंट्री है, and other 40 subjects are there. So these 2 3 are like, 2 are compulsory, and then other you can choose. So I decided, to make his life further easier, we skipped level C, and now we are registering him for 10th standard with the whatever subjects we are choosing, like, maths, English, computer, data entry, and bakery. So दिस इज माई जर्नी, आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर विथ यू ऑल. इसमें कैसे कि आप अगर अपने अपने बच्चे को समझोगे, उसके रिक्वायरमेंट समझोगे, उसका क्या कैपेबिलिटी है, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड, इफ यू पुट योर expectations low, क्योंकि we all are doing for our children, therapists are also working sincerely for our children. तो वो बच्चे को ही देखो, उसका ही खुशी, हैप्पीनेस, उसके फोर्टेज क्या हैं, वो कैसे खुश रहेगा. अगर अगर वो स्कूल में बर्डन या फिर इतना सारा, उसको सेल्फ एस्टीम ही उसका वहां पे टेक केयर किया नहीं जाता है. मेनली सी वी पेरेंट्स व्हेन वी थिंक ऑफ उस प्रोसेस में, मुझे मतलब वो जो थेरेपिस्ट बोलते थे कि child is showing behavior because the environment is not right, something is wrong in the environment. तो ये सेंटेंस का सेंस मतलब होना चालू हुआ मुझे कि ये क्या है, इसका मतलब what is wrong in the environment. So I started, मतलब जो वर्कशॉप्स किए उससे खुद को समझाया, मतलब आई एजुकेटेड माई सेल्फ, एंड विच आई टेल ऑल द पेरेंट्स whom I talk to कि खुद को एजुकेट करो, not for as a therapist, but when you educate yourself by doing various workshop, it helps you to connect with the therapist कि वो क्या बोल रहे हैं. That helps to understand कि what they are trying to tell you about your child, and it helps for you to understand your child and take the calls accordingly. You don't become a therapist because therapists, they उनका 5 6 7 साल का एजुकेशन, इंटर्नशिप एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर देयर, दे आर द एक्सपर्ट्स. But you getting trained help them to help you to understand your therapist and your child, and you sail better.
So psychometric testing would be usually done after the age of 7, and it is usually done to understand what the IQ and the educational level is, so that we understand what board and what capability the child has. And based on these psychometric reports, you're also given concession in school, right from your primary level.